In this video, I'm going to show you how to start making the How to Make an Orange Juice game in Scratch. Let's have a look inside my game so we can see how it works. So you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprites at the bottom, and the sprites are all coded to appear and disappear as they get secret messages from each other called broadcast messages. So let's press play to see how it works. I'm going to start by pressing the green flag, and my first character is Abby, or my first sprite is Abby.
Hello, this is my Scratch animation on how to make orange juice. Click on the whole orange to start the process. I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so she's given me the instruction. She's asked me to click on the whole orange, and that'll then prompt the next lot of code. I'm just going to click on the orange down here so you can see what the code is for the whole orange. So when it's clicked, it's going to make a sound, it's going to play a recording, and then it's going to hide and then send a broadcast or a secret message to the next sprite. So let's see what happens.
First, start with an orange and cut it in half. Next, take your cut orange pieces and run them through a juicer, or use a hand juicer to squeeze the liquid out. Then pour your liquid into a container or jug. Finally, pour yourself a nice, chilled glass of orange juice and enjoy. That was so yummy. I hope you enjoyed my animation on how to make orange juice. Maybe you can go off to the kitchen now and make yourself a nice tall glass of orange juice using fresh oranges. Okay, bye.
All right, so that's how the game works. You can see that it's essentially the same lot of codes repeated, and we're using the sound, the play sound codes, and we're using sounds that come with our sprites and also recorded sounds. We're also using a lot of this broadcast block. So this broadcast block is like a secret message or like a Chinese whisper, and every time one sprite gives that whisper or the message, the other sprite after it knows it's time for its turn to appear. So we're going to have a go at making this game. So to start with, I'm going to get you to go to Scratch. And if you have your loggings, you can click on Sign In. If not, you can just go straight to Create.